Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am JaylahMarshae. If you're new here, hey, what's up? If you're not new here, hey, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a DIY. I figured I have a tank top and a pair of jeans that I kind of got bored of, and I was like, you know what? I don't want to get rid of them, so why don't I just transform my outfit, and why don't I just make it into a video? And something about me is I've been really into DIYing and just transforming my clothes, and I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos, and spring is coming up, and I mean it's still winter. Yeah, spring is still winter, but spring is coming up and I'm really excited. So I really just wanted to, I don't have a lot of distressed jeans, especially white. So it's very easy. All you need is literally fabric scissors, tweezers, eyebrow tweezers, and all you need is your tank top and your outfit, and your tank top and your jeans. So let's get started with that video. Okay, so this project is going to be really easy. So all you really need is your tank top or whatever shirt you want to cut up. You want to cut it into a crop top. Mine is literally just a plain black tank top that I was sleeping in, but I figured, you know what, I want to switch it up. I want to cut it into a crop top. And I got a pair of white jeans that I got from Walmart a couple of years ago, or it might have been last year, or yeah, I think it was last year. I got these jeans from Walmart for like $7, and I wasn't going to cut them, but I was like, you know what, I want to cut them. I haven't worn them, so why not? And it's literally all easy. All you need is tweezers, eyebrow tweezers, fabric scissors from anywhere. You can get these from Michael's. You can get these at your local fabric store, and you can use a pen, which, you know, make sure like it's black too. And I'm using the pen to mark like where I want to cut my jeans. So yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna be cutting my jeans. I'm gonna be cutting my shirt. And this is like, it's just like really easy with the try on my pants to mark where I want to put them, but I'm too lazy for that today. I don't want to, so I'm just gonna wing it out. I'm just gonna try it to wing it out, and so whatever. So I am gonna be wearing my glasses so I can see. I can kind of see what's on my glasses. I usually do my videos without my glasses because I don't really like, I don't know, I just don't like glasses on me. I don't really wear them for this video, but I do on my daily basis anyway. But I don't wear them for Instagram or for YouTube. So because like really with YouTube I'm mainly doing makeup, so I don't really like wear my glasses. But I am going to be getting contacts this year, so yeah. So with that being said, I am now going to mark my pants. Okay, so I have on my glasses, so now I'm going to mark my pants, and yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so I actually went to go try these on. I actually went to go put these on so I can mark them. So I didn't do much. I just did like right here, and I did right here, and I also did up here. So I'm gonna do like, I don't know, I might actually end up cutting this whole part out, and I might just do this, but I don't know, I'm not sure yet. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna do that with my fabric scissors right here, and so I did my jeans, I cut them, and I did tweeze them a little bit. I might do more, and I might cut a little bit like up here a little bit more, but after I try them on I'll see what I like. But before I try them on, I am going to go into with my tank top first, and I'll be right back. And this is the finishing look. I'm actually really excited. I'm actually really happy how this kind of turned out. I kind of like this I thought it was really cute. I may fix the leg a little bit. I don't know. But I like the way it turned out. I've added some cute little heels from Miss Lola's Boutique. And the top, I'm kind of excited. The top, I don't know. I like how it turned out, but you know, it's whatever. But sorry if you can't see my head, I'm short. But this is the overall outfit. I don't know, I'm kind of excited how this turned out. But now I'm gonna take some Instagram pictures. And yeah, this is the DIY how to transform your outfit. And I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.